Good morning, students. So today we're gonna hopefully conclude our Google Slides and then move on to a new topic when we're back from Thanksgiving break. So today is the last day for Google Slides. Maybe there might be one, but most likely not. But if you get another assignment, just don't be surprised. That's all. That's gonna be the last for sure. But this one, let's consider this of the last for now. So it's gonna be today is Thursday, November 16th, and then today we're gonna do a drawing using shapes on Google Slides. We're gonna draw a railroad crossing. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do that, show you an example, and of course you guys can change it if you want to. So let me assign it first. So we're gonna click on assign, and then go to our Google Classroom page, the traditional one. Now, 1 second. Right. So guys, all right, let's check what Mr. Rustam posted for today. And today is again Thursday. On the week of November 13th through 17th, and today is 16th. Railroad crossing drawing using Google Slides. So there's no instructions. There's going to be a drawing, so you're going to use your imagination and skills. So we're going to draw a railroad crossing. So how does railroad crossing look like? So imagine a railroad is and then there is an intercepting freeway, let's say a road, and then there are fields around them. So that's what we're going to try to depict in Google Slides. So let's open the Google Slides through add or create, pick the Google Slides. And next step is we don't need these boxes. So we're going to click, look guys, a lot of students still ask me the same question. How do we delete these boxes? So we either go to layout. Where was my layout? From here, you see, if from here, this plus sign from the drop-down menu, you can go on blank, which is easier, or you could just click on the edge of this box. When you click on the edge, you are able to delete it using backspace on your keyboard. It's a backspace, all right? Same thing, click on the edge and then backspace on your keyboard. It says backspace. Now, what we want to do is let's add a field. So I'm going to go ahead and add a rectangle. Okay, like this. And it's going to be green. Then I add another one. Actually, you can copy paste it. So make a right click, copy, or Control C, and then make a right click and paste, or Control V is a shortcut. All right. And then you guys don't have to drag it. You can use your up and down, left and right arrows while it's selected. And it also moves it. It helps you to kind of arrange it very nicely. See, I'm going to leave some space here for the railroad. Okay, now I'm going to add another rectangle. And it's going to cover up this space between the fields. And again, you see, I'm going to move or use my left and right to arrange it. All right, so this is going to be my railroad. As you know, railroads are a lot of parallel bars, right? So we want to add another bar. I'm going to make a little bar here like this. And then not sure what's the suitable color for the bar. We can make it black color. So let's make it black. And then we just need to copy paste it a couple of times. Right? So Control C, Control V, and then you see I'm able to move it with my right or left button on your keyboard. So again, Control V, and then move it. Try to like approximately arrange the distances between them. Control V and Control V until we guys have all the bars in place. All right, keep doing it. I mean, there is another easier way to do it. Let me show you that too. You could actually select all of them at once. You know how to make a multiple selection of objects, more than one. So if you hold down Control key on your keyboard and just choose this items that you want to select, they'll be selected all together. All right, that's an easier way. When you do Control C, which is copying, and then Control V shortcut, Control V, which is pasting, you still can make a copy all of them at once. You see, it's easier. Again, Control V, and then some of it can exceed the boundaries of your page. That's fine, not a big deal, like this. And afterwards, maybe you can delete this tree if you don't need them. There we go. This is my railroad. Next, I want to make a freeway. So for freeway, I need again a shape. You can make it partially. First part of my freeway lays in here, let's say. Okay. And then let's make it what color is the freeway? I wouldn't say it's a black, it's a kind of between black and gray. And then you can copy this, paste it, move it down. And there we go. You see, my railroad is crossing the freeway. And then for freeway to look it more realistic, we're going to add a line, white lanes, you know, the lines which separate the lanes. So we're going to go ahead and add a long line. I want to make it a continuous line because we're not supposed to change lines. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's make it shorter. It's fine. So like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna copy this small one, Control C, Control V. All right, paste it down here, leaving some space, and then Control V again, move it down. Look, I'm again using up, down, left, or right keys. All right, and then Control V again, and move it all the way down, like this. All right, hope it looks like a freeway. Maybe we move this one a little bit to the left. And we'll move this one a little bit to the left as well. Next, we can have a stop bar, which like blocks the entrance to this railway, right? So we can make that as well. So we're gonna do maybe a little round shape here like this. Give it a nice color. Let's make it blue so it's visible. And then another long bar attached to it, which blocks the entrance to the freeway, the railroad, right? Like this. And then we can make it, let's say, can make it black color. And then let's add a little stop sign to it, right? So what shape is stop sign? It's octagon, as long as I remember. Octagon. So let's go and find the octagon. Let's see if we have it. I think decagon, octagon, right? So you see an octagon like this, we attach it. And then we change the color to red. We also can write in it, you know. Let me try to write in it. Add text, and then we do stop, right? It came up kind of big, so let's make it smaller, like this. And then make it white color. So this is gonna change the color of my text into white. There we go. I mean, stop, right? And also we can add a train. So let's add a train. So train, transparent background, right? So we don't want to have any backgrounds for on our train. Let's try, I mean, we can try some of it. Not sure which one doesn't have a background because most of them have it. If that's the case, we can use photopea, right? Let me try one or two. So let me try to go with this one. Let's see if it has a background. Hope not. If it does, I mean, I'm okay. Oh, yeah, it doesn't want. It doesn't have it here. You can even have, you guys can even animate it. Let's cut the edges like this. Oops. All right. Enter, make it smaller. Put it here. You can even animate it if you want, guys. Animation is okay as long as you do the animation. All right, but not expected. And then you can also add a car here. Let me make the last car. For car, I want to add a little shape like this. All right, so it's gonna be an orange car. And then I'm gonna add another shape in here like this. So let it be a car. I mean, it's not a perfect car, but let it be sort of a car, represents a car. All right, let's move it a little bit to the right. Let's make it smaller. And let's change the color to this. Control C, Control V, bring it down. And then we add the wheels now. We add the wheels. And after that, we add the wheels. We are kind of done. So wheels will be black color. Let's put them on the sides. All right. Control C, Control V. You see this represent the wheels. Yes, guys, I'm recording a video if you don't mind, just a few minutes. All right, so guys, lastly, what I want you to do is highlight this whole shape, make a right click, and you need to group it. Look. You need to group it. Group means gluing them together so that you're able to move them all together. And then here we go. And that's gonna be it. Yeah, this is it. So you have your field, freeway, railroad, a train, and then the car, and then a stop bar. That's all we do. 4, 2,